Okay, fire's doing pretty good there. It's been going for a while. Me and Alicia, we got all the ingredients out here to make a pizza in the Dutch oven. Not the correct lid, but we'll do with that, no problem. Local grocery store, pizza dough, all our favorite ingredients. So here we go. All right, got our pizza dough rolled out there. That didn't take too long. Just gonna coat the bottom of this with some olive oil in there. Actually, don't look too bad already. And we'll get it on the, we'll get it right there on the fire.
My video's gonna be fucked up.
Maybe a little bit more in there. Okay, there's our pizza. It's going right on the fire right now. Got a nice piece of venison I'm putting on the smoker as well. Gonna use some hickory for that. All right, here we go. I'll just use the shovel. It's one hot fire. Get this meat put on the smoker. I just got some coals going in there with some hickory wood. There's the block right there. Get it in there. Let's check this.
Need some more time.
Definitely. You guys want to come out?
Who wants to go on a walkie? Who wants to go on a walk? Wow. Oh.
Gone. Let's check this meat. I haven't been on there too long. Just a sec. Just about a half hour, maybe 25 minutes. Look at that thing. Really smells good though. There's bone in. Chase, you stay here. Come here, Jack.
Mickey, come on, Bubba. Look at that wing. Hi, boy. Good boy. Hi. Hi.
Jackie,
Jackie, come here. Come here, Chasey.
you a silly boy.
Hi. He's such a good boy. He's my best boy, my old man. He's my old
Come on,
man.
Chase.
Come on, JC. Come on.
He loves that old John
Come
Deere.
on, little boy.
Okay, our pizza's done. Let me get rid of this lid. And be careful not to shake ashes on our pizza. Looks done to me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Looks great.
Let me just lightly knock that ash off of there.
Yeah.
Get that out of there.
Mm.
How do you think we did on the crust?
It's hard to perfect though.
Doesn't seem too bad.
Nope. Looks perfect.
Now, if we can just get it out of here. Okay.
Oh.
I might get a little hot. It's okay. It's coming out. Here we go. Oh yeah.
Jackie says he thinks it's great.
Looks pretty good.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Perfect.
Yeah, not bad. It was actually on there a lot longer than I thought it was going to be too. Wonder how the whole wheat crust is going to be.
Can't imagine it's bad.
Sure, it'll be fine. Okay, here's first taste test.
It's so good, of course.
Very good?
Yes.
Okay. Let's enjoy. My turn. See what the doggos think. You guys stay. What's that? What's that? Is that good? Is that good? Good boys. All right, time for round two. Just checking on this meat real quick. Yeah, looks like it's doing pretty good.